How to log into Henry Ford Employee Portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Henry Ford Health is an integrated nonprofit healthcare organization in Metro Detroit. The corporate office is at 1 Ford Place in Midtown Detroit, Michigan. Henry Ford established the health system in 1915 and it is currently run by a 15-member board of directors. If you want to log into your Henry Ford employee portal, simply follow these simple steps. First, you want to open up any web browser, and then on the search box, you want to search for henryford.com/connect. Then on the Connect section, you want to click on the HR Connect option. Now here, click on the Login to Employee Self-Service option. Once you click on this option, another page is going to open up, and this is the login portal for the employee and manager self-service. Here on the first option, you want to enter your user ID. Once you have entered your user ID, go ahead and enter your password. Once both the details have been entered, click on the Sign In option. In case you're facing any issue while logging in, you want to click on the Contact IT option. Now that is going to bring you to another page. Here you have two different options. Here you want to select the password reset for your account. Once you click on the option, it is going to prompt you to a different page. Now from here you will have to enter your ID. Then the second step is verification, and then on the third step you will be able to reset your password. After you have reset your password, you can head back and then log into your account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.